Today is the day for glittery liner. First, taking this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel for color correction. Mainly applying under the eyes to hide the dark shadows. Now taking our shade of foundation and mixing it with Sugar's Jelly Highlighter. Just taking half to full pump of foundation and just a tad bit of highlighter. I am using L'Oreal Paris 32 Hour Foundation in shade 125 Natural Rose and Sugar Jelly Highlighter in shade 01 Gold Cool. Applying this mix all over the face to get that solid medium coverage. Take a damp beauty blender and bounce over the face to further blend the product for seamless finish. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand to brighten up the under eye and hide those under eye bags. To get the most natural and well blended under eye, finger works best as a blending tool. It will provide enough warmth to melt the product into the skin. Check the difference in both the eyes and get the magic a concealer creates. Apply the same concealer on the eyelids as well. Few shakes to the fixing spray and applying it under the eyes to avoid creasing. This will make sure the concealer doesn't settle in those fine lines and look as natural as it can be with the coverage. Blush time it is. Mixing blush tint with highlighter gives a very dewy finish, which we are looking for. Picking out both the products on the back of the hand and mixing it well. I am using Etude House Fixing Tint in shade 01 Analog Rose and the same sugar highlighter. Applying this dewy customized blush on the cheeks and nose. Again, when it comes to blending, fingers are your best friend to get the most natural finish. For further blending, use a brush. Please note, I have not picked up any more product on the brush. Apply some product on the chin as well, and whatever excess product caught up on the brush, with that do some jaw contouring. Yes, we are doing contouring with blush to get a very little shadow. Time to highlight those cheekbones furthermore. Taking this OG Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Gold and applying on the highest points of the face. See the healthy glow which it is giving to the skin. Apply some highlighter on the forehead as well, as it looks very chic. Picking some loose powder by K Beauty in the shade Vanilla and setting eyelids for smooth application. Finally, it's eyeliner. I'm using a felt tip liner pen to get more control over the application, drawing a very thick liner with ever so slight wing. I have hooded eyes, which is why I am keeping a very small wing. You can go ahead and wing it according to your liking. For any type of eyeliner, it will give you very ease to first draw the liner and then fill it the way I have done here. Tip for eyeliner, keep your hand sturdy and go very slow. Neatness is what matters in eyeliner, so go slow, as after any mistake you cannot go back to a clean place. Now, taking any soft brown eyeshadow and defining eye crease. Always dust off the excess product before application, otherwise it can look very patchy. Keep the hand pressure very little. Taking my favorite Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and applying 2 coats of it. I have applied lashes off camera to amp up this look. Now taking star of the show, this glitter liner by Miss Claire in shade Glitter Gold, and applying this very carefully a little above where we had applied black liner. With this step, patience is the key. You have to raise your eyebrows up till this liner application is done and dried completely. Getting into that inner corner is not that easy, but slow speed and little strokes help here. Check how beautiful it turned out. To balance out the lower portion of eye, I am adding little bit of this liner to the inner half of the lower lash line as well. Now comes lips. Using this beautiful lip liner by Swiss Beauty in the shade Bobby Brown and lining my lips. I am overlining a little bit from the Cupid's bow. For lips, lip liner makes a huge difference in the way how your lips look after the application, and this further adds up to the longevity of the lipstick. I am filling up my lips also with the same lip liner to make them fuller. The color of this lip liner is medium brown color. This color works best for all types of lipsticks, be it nude color lipstick or a dark color lipstick. This will complement certainly. This liquid lipstick by Miss Claire in the shade 08 and applying on top of lip liner. Here comes the final look. Hope you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. I'll see you all next time.